Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the ZD Toys 110 scale Iron Man Mark 28. So if you want to buy this, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan sa Facebook or Laruanan sa Shopee. This costs around 1,450 only. Meron din sila mga bagong releases. Yung Superman 1/9 scale action figure na Funjoy. Very cool. Kaka-review lang natin. And this one is the Spider-Man Scarlet Spider suit. Okay? So cool. Okay, tara game. Unbox na natin. Sealed to mga mamsers from ZD Toys. ZD Toys is a Chinese company. Original to mga mamsers. Hindi to fake. Hindi siya KO. Hindi siya bootleg. This is original and authentic. Very high quality cardboard type of packaging. Dito sa side, magnetic flap. Nga pala, bago natin siya buksan, nandito yung Disney na sticker and the Zongdong toy na text. Ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toys. And also, ayun nga, dahil nga merong seal, this is an original product and an authentic product. Okay, buksan na natin yung flap. First tray, nandito yung Mark 28 na action figure. Second tray naman, nandito yung lahat ng accessories. Okay, balik tayo sa box. Yung nasa likod ng box, shot of the action figure, front and back, different poses, tapos Chinese text and barcode. Alright, so this is Mark 28 out of the packaging. Whoa, very nice color scheme. Orange and dark gray. Hindi siya LED mga mamsar. Okay, buksan natin to accessories. Okay. Okay, ang dami niya accessories. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 extra hands. 6 extra hands. 1 hexagonal base. 4 some sort of flame effects or repulsor effects. Tapos you have the stand or the pole na spring loaded. Okay, para ma-assemble yung base, attach lang natin tong part na to and then let's attach the pole. Yan. So ma-handle niyo na si Iron Man kapag gusto niyo i-pose siya with dynamic flight poses. All right, this is Mark 28 out of the packaging. Super cool action figure. Color palette niya ay orange and parang bronze orange and dark gray. Hindi siya super black. Meron ding mga gunmetal parts, dark gunmetal parts here. Tapos, plastic quality is very nice, very sturdy. Wala namang mga loose na joints. Then hindi siya LED. Hindi siya LED powered. Ganda rin ng ginagawa ni ZD Toys dun sa mga LED versions niya kasi i-charge nyo na lang siya using USB Type A, I think. Tapos, yun, one click and then iilaw na yung eyes and then yung chest. Yun yung ginagawa na nila sa LED version. So hopefully, yung mga ilalabas pa nila na ZD Toys, LED versions na. So let's start with the head. Nga pala, appearance niya, front, ito yung side, back, and the other side. I think yung head para siyang sa Heartbreaker, tapos itong chest sa Mark 7, and then pati itong arms from Mark 7. I think combination siya ng Heartbreaker and Mark 7. Not so sure about dun sa legs. I think ito Heartbreaker din to. Yan. Ang ganda ng sculpt nito, very fine. Pati yung mga inner parts or inner workings ng suit, very fine yung mga sculpt nila. Ang galing ng ginagawa ni ZD Toys dito, lalo na dito sa may part dito ng legs, and also dito sa back. May mga flaps ba to? Wait lang ah. Oo, nice. Oo nga. Articulated nga yung flaps niya. Para sa kanyang head, meron siyang parang X design from the forehead papunta dito sa kanyang mouth, sa kanyang faceplate. Tapos meron ding gunmetal na band around the head, spine design. Meron din mga flaps. You have the silver or rather the dark gunmetal na colors, the segments pala dito sa chest, dito sa kanyang stomach, and also dito sa waist. Super cool. Ang ganda ng finish ng paint na ginamit nila dun sa bronze type of orange. Ganda ng lalo na pag nasisinagan din ng light, so nagsashine na siya. Meron din mga maliliit na sections like yung itong part na to, this one. I think Maganda yan for ano, for visual contrast. Katulad nito, yung mga screws, maliit lang yung paint pero it makes a big difference dun sa buong appearance ng armor or ng suit. Okay? You have the large thigh armor design. Ang ganda rin ng pagkaka-overlap ng mga armor plates. Ganun yung style ni Mark 28 na armor design. Okay? Halos lahat naman ng armor ata ni Iron Man. Ang ganda ng ano eh, ng pagkaka-design ng mga armor plates. So the way it is layered, the way it is being used, and meron ding function yung bawat piece sa galaw ni Iron Man. Okay? For the articulation, head can look up, down, rotate 360. Tapos, you can also rotate the arms. Pull out for better articulation. Meron ding rotation yung biceps. Pwede nyo i-extend yung elbow armor, double jointed elbow, and also ball joint yung kamay. You can also extend this. Hindi na siya makapag-stretch dahil may part na to na naghinder sa articulation. It can also add some twist, can rotate something like that. Pero maliit lang din. Okay, hindi tulad nung, ayan, ganyan lang siya, ganyan lang yung movement niya. Pero at least meron, di ba? You can pull it down for kicks that far. Kung gusto niyo mas mataas yung kick, ikot niyo lang to ng onte, tapos mas mataas yung kick. Tapos, double jointed ba to? Yes, double jointed. Ang ganda lang din ng mga suit ni Iron Man kasi seamless yung kanyang transition from dito sa part na to. Very seamless. Ingat lang kayo dito ha, baka pag articulate nyo, ma-scratch yung paint. Okay? Okay, balik na natin. Tapos ball jointed yung paa. Alright, so yun ang ating review ng Iron Man ZD Toys Mark 28 na armor. If you want to buy this, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan sa Facebook or Shopee. This costs around 1,450 pesos only. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!